I'm doing a Mobee seasonal gig for Valentine's Day stuff at Publix. I also have a field agent gig, so I'm going to record with my meta glasses, and you can see if these apps are a side hustle you want to do. So the field agent one is for bottled water, refrigerated coffee, and then the Mobee one is for Valentine's Day. I'm going to do the Mobee one first because the first question is about like if there's any displays in the entrance. All right, so it gives you all these instructions. Remember, when you do this, you don't actually have to read all this instructions, especially if you've done a few of them. So I'm just going to press OK. So now it wants to see what type of Valentine's Day display is in the front entrance when you first walk through the store. Usually there's not any at Publix, so this gig is super easy. Here, I've done a bunch. There's also no seasonal section, which is another thing they're going to ask for, which makes it easy as well. So for these seasonal Mobee gigs, the first question's always going to be if there's the seasonal display by the front. I found like a little cardboard display for the gifts for Valentine's Day, so I took a picture of that. You have to do a horizontal picture. You're a little bit more noticeable when you do horizontal pictures, so just keep that in mind. That's why I do this gig first if I have multiple ones, because you don't want to be walking back to the entrance of the store and turning around. It looks more natural if you just walk in and take the picture. And now it's asking if there was a seasonal aisle. At Publix, there really truly was no seasonal aisle, so I pressed no. Another thing I want to know is if there's candy end caps, seasonal candy end caps. So a lot of them didn't have this, but at this specific Publix, they had this end cap here with all of the Valentine's Day gifts, chocolates, and stuff. So I got the picture of that. It asked how many end caps there were with candy on it. So I said one. It asked where it was. I said it was at the front of the store. And now take a nice straight picture, get the whole display in there. That's very important for them. And now I'm going to the next question. It's asking if there was any displays by the checkout. There wasn't. There really wasn't that many displays at all. And now it's asking for my favorite display. So I answered that this one was my favorite display. This one over here, the ring pop, didn't count as a Valentine's Day display. So I went back to this one, got the picture of this display that I took the picture of last time. And then now it's asking which candy was your favorite. So it's an opinion, so it doesn't really matter what you choose. So I chose this Snoopy thing. And then it asked, why did you choose that? I just write something like it looks cool or looks cute or looks yummy. And then the next question was, if your child was doing a Valentine's Day gift exchange, which candy would you use? So again, just choose whichever candy, answer the question. It's a personal opinion, so there's no right or wrong answer. Just make sure you take a picture of a Valentine's Day product. And that's basically it for this gig. Doesn't take very long at all. I think this took me like 3 or 4 minutes. It pays from $3 to $4 depending on which store it was. It's going to ask you if the store was decorated or anything like that. I said no. First gig is done. Mobee is done. Always make sure it actually uploads and then do the next gig. I had a lot of times where I got home and I realized that I never uploaded it and it expired. So now this one, it's going to ask for bottled water. So as I was walking past, I got this display because they always ask for the display after and you don't want to walk back and forth. So I got the display there. Now I'm looking for the water section. So it wasn't where that display was, but there was a whole aisle here. They were labeled pretty well. So I found the water, and then now I'm going to walk all the way to the end of the aisle, because keep in mind when you do these shelf views, you want to get the aisle from left to right. So I found another display as I was walking up. So now once I'm done with the aisle, I could just go on to the next part because I already got the display and I don't have to walk all the way back to that other corner again. So now I'm going to the end, all the way on the left where the water actually starts was over here, this next aisle over. And now you want to get every 4-foot section. So it's a whole aisle. It may seem like a lot of pictures, but keep in mind that I'm walking as I do this. I'm not stopping. I'm doing like a side step and just pressing the button to take the picture. Goes super fast. I didn't speed this up at all. That's the actual time it took me to get that whole aisle. And then I already had the display, so I'm moving on to the next question. It was a little annoying because these were kind of scattered. It's a bunch of random products that weren't all in the same aisle. The next question was for refrigerated coffee, like Starbucks, cold brew, stuff like that. So it was just one picture, super easy, but it was on the other side of the store, so it was a lot of walking, took up a little bit of my time. And that's pretty much it. There was one or two sections, but you pretty much get the idea. All in all, it took me about 8 minutes to make close to $9. So you could decide for yourself if that's a side hustle you want to do and click the links down below to sign up.